Hey everybody, I'm very happy to announce that a little package that I ordered came. It is from White Forest Studios. They are on one of the Facebook doll groups I belong to, and I have to say what I ordered is incredibly cute. So you can see I haven't opened it yet, so we're all going to see what it looks like together. And I highly recommend going over there just because everything they make is adorable, and it is a really long waiting period. So, if you want these guys, get in there now. I got in at the beginning and it still took a month or so. It took a couple of weeks. It didn't seem that long though. She wrapped this so well. And here are their birth certificates, I believe. Oh, and they're laminated. We got Ziggy. And we got Tuffi. We got Tuffi and Ziggy. And I just couldn't say no because all of a sudden it was like, oh, we make elephants now. And it was just too cute. So you can see they are wrapped amazingly well. And I've always wanted something by White Forest. And I never ordered anything. Hello world. And he is made of excuse me, believe polymer clay. I know he's made by hand. And then each little hair is applied and then painted, and he's just so cute. And here is Tuffi. These were the first two that they came out with, and I couldn't decide which one of the two, so I spoiled myself and I got both. And they are just so adorable. And their trunks are up for good luck. And since ordering them, there have been a couple other colors that have come out. As we zoom in, I had to get better lighting, so excuse that for the darker colors, but they're just so cute. Oh, and their little ears are little leather. It's so cute. Like now they have Ty. They have a pink one named Topsy. Let me click and see what their wait time is now. Let's see. Doesn't seem that bad on their wait time right now. Because I know sometimes it's like a 6-month wait. I wanted to do an owl for my hair, my Hufflepuff costume. Because I was sorted into Hufflepuff House and I looked, and it is about a 6-month waiting period for an owl. So I'm still trying to determine what to do on that front. He's just so cute. I love their little faces. Thank you guys so much over at White Forest. If you haven't gone to their website, I'm going to put the link below in the description. And if you have the money, they do payment plans, I believe. But definitely go for it. It's well worth it. They look great with your dolls, size-wise. especially if you do a lot of the smaller dolls. And each one is hand painted, so I don't think the markings are going to be exactly the same on either. On two. The heads don't move, so don't try to move the head. Sorry. I don't think his head moves. Yeah, no, the head does not move. Do not move the head. But either. Even the eyes are hand painted, and it's just, I know I keep going on and on about it, but they are just adorable. So again, thank you. I love them. I'm rearranging the doll shelf right now, so they will have a home. We'll have pictures when everything updates. I have to figure out what I'm keeping and what I'm not keeping. So I will see everybody later. I have to start working on a costume because even though Comic-Con is many months away, and I have no idea when ImmortalCon is, it will sneak up on me. And I will be like, oh my god, no. We are not going to Icon this year, just because price-wise, I figured $65 versus what I'm going to be spending at Comic-Con, I'd rather do Comic-Con. You know, no offense to the guys over at Icon, but it's going to be my mother's first year at a big convention, and I want her to do Comic-Con first. Just because I don't know if she's going to be able to do it more than once. We have to get her medical pass, I believe. So anyway, we won't be doing Icon. Thank you again, White Forest Studio. These guys are so cute. I can't wait to put them up. Who am I going to put them with? They're going to get their own shelf, just them. Don't forget to subscribe to them, order from them. You know, check out everything they are doing. Buy an owl for me. I love you guys. Have a great day.